Happy life, dear. So today's topic is articles. So what are the articles? A, and the are called articles. So it is in English grammar. We call a and the as an articles. So remember the following important points about. So I'm going to give you important points to remember. The easy way to use is of an, a, and the. So an it is used before a vowel or silent H. An vowel or silent H. So here when we say an apple, so here A is the vowel, starts with the vowel, so we are using an. And what is here silent H? So here when we say this an R, so H is silented over here and we just pronounce it as R, O-U-R-R. So we are using it. Next is a. So a is used before a consonant or a vowel sounding like a consonant. So what is the meaning of vowel sounding like a consonant? So here you can see a man. This is a consonant. So here vowel sounding like a consonant. When we say a unit, so here even though it is starting with U, it is an consonant sound, unit. So here when we say university, even though it is starting with a vowel letter, it is the sound of a consonant. So same way a 1 rupee coin. So here we are using O, but the sound is consonant sound. So 1 rupee coin, a 1 rupee coin. Next is we are going to see the. So when we use the is used in the following cases. So where the is used, it is used in the following cases before the names of. So it is used before the names of rivers. So before the names of rivers. So for example, rivers, the Ganges, the Jamuna. Okay, the Ganges, the Jamuna, we can say. So here the is used. Okay, next is before, it is used before the name of oceans. Okay, before ocean. So for example, what you can say, Indian Ocean. So we have to say the Indian Ocean. Okay, so the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea. So it is also used before the names of magazines. Okay, before the names of magazines. So what is the meaning of magazines? You have learned, isn't it? So we can see magazines, newspapers, and some of the famous books. So famous books also we use the. Okay, famous books. Okay, next one, it is also used for here the examples are when we say the Hindustan Times. So Hindustan Times, or the Gita, Bhagavad Gita, isn't it? Here, so here the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. So here we use the. So the is used before the names of the rivers. Examples are Ganges, the Jamuna. Before oceans, so Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Ocean, Arabian Sea, anything. So here before the again those used before the names of the magazines or newspapers. So magazines when we say the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, Indian Express. So here the Gita, it is used in the famous book, isn't it? Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Quran, or Bible. And it is also used before, a mountain ranges. So what are the mountain ranges over here? So when we say Himalayas, isn't it? Himalayas, Alps. So here we can use the. So for example, the Himalayas, the Alps. So here we are using before the mountain's name, and it is also used before the names of natural objects. So it is also used before the names of natural objects. So what are the natural objects over here? When we say the sun, the moon. Okay, these are the natural objects. So it is also used before the natural object. So it is also used before the superlatives. So before superlatives, what is the meaning of superlatives? What is the meaning of superlatives? So here before the superlatives means the oldest. When we say oldest, oldest, isn't it? There are three types of adjectives. It is a positive degrees of comparison, isn't it? So positive degree, comparative degree, and a superlative degree. So here it is used before the superlative. When we say oldest, we have to say the oldest. Okay, the oldest, the youngest, the best. Okay, so here we are using the before the superlatives. Next is before the names of the race and people. So it is also used before the names of races. Names of races and people. Names of races and people. So here what do we mean by names of races and the people? It means the Muslims. So when we say the Muslims, okay, the Muslims, the Hindus, that is also used before the races and people, and it is also used before the adjective to represent a class of persons. So it is also used to represent a class of persons. So here what do we mean by class of persons? So for example, when we say the rich man, so here the class is there. So the rich, the wise, it is also used over here. Okay, so next is where we are using the before the noun if we want to particularize it. So before a noun, if we want to particularize it, means for particularize it means when we are saying he is the boy. So here we are particularizing. Here he is particularized. So here we are using the he is the boy who bet me. Okay, who bet me. Do you understand? So these are the uses of articles. So again I'll repeat uses of articles. So a and the are called articles. And or silent H. So an is used before a vowel or silent H. So here when we say an apple, so an R. So here we are using R and H is becoming silented. So here we are pronouncing it as R. So here the vowel sound is coming. So we are using and before this word even though it is starting with a consonant sound. Next is a. A is used before a consonant or vowel sounding like a consonant. So what is the meaning of vowel sounding like a consonant? The same way here when we say a unit, a university, a 1 rupee coin, even though these starts with U and O, it is a it starts with a vowel letter, but the sound of this word becomes a consonant sound. So we are using a unit. Next, the is used before. So where we are using the is used. The is used in the following cases before the names of rivers. So what are the names of rivers? Ganges, Jamuna. So here we are using the. Next is before, it is used before the names of seas. So here when we say seas, so here you can see when we are saying the seas or ocean. So here ocean, Indian Ocean or Arabian Sea. So here we are using it. Next, before, it is used before the names of the magazines or newspapers and some famous book. For example, when we say Hindustan Times or Hindustan Times, Indian Express, etc. Isn't it? So we are using the before the names of newspaper and magazines and famous books. So here famous books are Bhagavad Gita, Quran and Bible. So we are using the before the famous books. Next is we are using it before the names of the mountain ranges. So when we say mountain ranges, when we say Himalayas, Alps, we have to use the before the names of the mountain ranges, and it is also used before the natural objects. So what are the natural objects? The sun, the moon, the earth are the natural objects. So we are using the before the natural objects. Next, it is used before superlative. So here adjectives are divided. Adjectives when we are saying comparative, superlative and positive degrees of comparison, isn't it? So in that cases, in superlative we are using the. So here the oldest, the best we are using, and it is also used before before the names of the races and the people. So the Muslim, the Hindus, the English we are saying. Then we are using it as to the adjectives to represent a class of persons. So what is the meaning of class of persons? When we are saying their class, they are middle class or high class or rich class. So when we are saying the rich person, the rich man, the poor man, the wise man, so here also we are using the. And finally, before a noun, if we want to particularize it, so when we want, when do we want to particularize any noun or name? So here for example I have given you, he is the boy who bit my brother. So he, this is a pronoun. So he, who's the boy? So here particularly that boy is told. So here he is particularized. So we are using the. So I think you have understood about the articles, when and where should we use the articles. So now I will give you few exercises, which one you have to do it and send it. So bye, take care.